Hello dears, 5th standard English time to Mother Nature, page number 83, Rome letter A, write the rhyming words. Rhyming words அப்படின்னா லாஸ்ட்டில் எண்டிங் முடிகிறது வந்து சேமாக வரணும் சரியா, அதாவது நம்ம ஸ்பெல் பண்ணும்போது சேமாக வரணும். ஃபஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின் நேச்சர், கிரியேச்சர், அந்த போயத்துலேருந்து நம்ம எடுத்து எழுதணும் ஓகேவா. செகண்ட் ஒன் ட்ரீ, ஃப்ரீ. தேர்ட் ஒன் பேர்ட், ஹர்ட். ஃபோர்த் ஒன் ஃபேஸ், ரேஸ். ஃபிஃப்த் ஒன் கல்ச்சர், ஃபியூச்சர். Next Roman letter B, filling the blanks. First one, Mother Nature gives everything for all creatures. இதோட answer creatures. Second one, fruits and shadows are free under the tree. Third one, dash is our culture. Which one, fortune knocks with its best who dash for their guest. The answer is cats. Fifth one, welcome guest to win everyone's as in life's race. The answer is hearts. Answer the following. Whose hospitality is described in the poem? The answer is Mother Nature's hospitality is described in the poem. Next second question. What are the things given by the tree? The answer is fruits, shadows, comb for bird and a resting place for the head are the things given by the tree. Third question, what wins the heart? The answer is welcoming the guest with a smiling face wins the hearts of all. Fourth question, who will be fortunate? The answer is those who care for their guest will be fortunate. Question, how will you treat your guest? The answer is we should treat our guest by welcoming them with a smiling face. Thank you all.